am going to the doctor today. Later by the doctor away. I am not feeling very well. Me not a sinking in mes bone. I have a headache. Me think the low the college. I'm going to lie down for a while. Me tabay drumuratu. My throat hurts. Me garganta ta acidolo. I have a fever. Me thinking dura. I'm very tired. Me ta hopi cansa. I cannot sleep well. Me no podru mi bon. The doctor says, "I doctor tabisa." What is going on? Kiko ta pasando. I am in pain. Me tindolo. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Unde botica más cercata. The doctor is listening carefully. The doctor ta escucha bon. He's checking my heart. He ta check me corazón. Drink plenty of water, baby. Hopi hour. That is fine. That a bon. Take these medicines. To my remedy nanaki. Stay at home today. Queda na casa we. Take good care of yourself. Cuida bon es bon. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.